Hi, I'm Jerry Dill at Dill's Greenhouse. It's April 29th, and since February 1st, we've probably handled 1.5 million plants, hanging baskets, quart pots, perennials, a little bit of everything, vegetable plants. So this time of year, we're actually a little more relaxed than we were a month ago. We've got the whole place set up. So we're going to do a little tour of the place. This is what it's going to look like in the next month, and we'll do half our sales for the year in the next month. One of the things we've been doing in the last 3 months is our flats. We probably grow about 25,000 flats of flowers in everything from zinnias to alyssum. Now we're in our vegetable area. We grow about 80 varieties of tomatoes. They're in alphabetical order. A nice plant about this size. We try to keep them in stock all the time, and at least until the end of May. We do run out of varieties every once in a while. We also grow over 40 varieties of peppers. People love all the different types of peppers, especially some of the hot ones. We're now in our what I call specialty annual area, which we grow in quart pots. So some of the annuals we can't grow in flats. They come from cuttings of the flat. They just won't grow in flat well. So we grow them in the quart pots. We probably do close to 100,000 quart pots. And the selection we have is unbelievable. Since we grow all of our own product, we can have all the usual stuff and all the unusual stuff. Another thing we grow, about 8,000 hanging baskets, all different sizes. These are our moss baskets. We also have them in 10-inch pots, we have them in 12-inch pots, we have them in 14-inch pots, and even some fiber pots. So anyhow, moss baskets and hanging baskets are big, especially Mother's Day weekend. Now we're out in our nursery area. We have a ton of different varieties of shrubs, as you can see. They're in this area here. Behind me back here is all of our fruit trees, all of our raspberries, strawberries, fruits. And if you kind of pan out over in there, you'll see our tree selection. We have containerized trees. We also have ball and burlap trees. So we're kind of a full service garden center. We actually plant the trees and deliver them to you also. Now we're in our perennial area. We grow about 30,000 gallon pots and other size pots too. Really a large selection of perennials, about anything you can want. But perennials are good. Actually, we sell a lot of perennials all through the summer and even through the fall. It's just not a spring thing. Now we're standing in our tropical house. We get a lot of tropical plants in out of Florida.
Thank you.
We try to carry a nice selection all through June if we can. Okay, now we're in the back 40, we call it. We have about 20 greenhouses this size that we're used to restock what we just looked up front. So we don't run out for a while, but we do eventually run out. We don't have to wait for another truck to come. All we have to do is come back here and get the stuff. Now here's a house full of flats they just got done transplanting. And these aren't quite ready, but they're real close. Now we're out back at our tomato house. This is actually all tomatoes in here. About 2,000 flats of extra tomato flats that we transplant, and then we take those up front as people buy them. And we actually have 17 houses in the back, we call it, to resupply the front end. This is a quart house of quart annuals that we grow in some hanging baskets in here.